As we all know about that the career in the quantity surveying or quantity estimation you can say is highly demanded in construction industry. So by these videos, by these course actually we want to help the people by using this software in the field of estimation. You are the future guys, actually you are the quantity estimator of future. You can say you become and you can an engineer, you can be a contractor, as well as you can be as project manager or project engineer you can say. So this is highly demanded ever softwares that you will learn in this video lecture. So let's start our first video lecture of this course. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the first of all importance of these softwares and workability of the software. It needs your attention because nothing is free, everything has its own value. So to get proper knowledge, listen carefully my lectures. So here we go. So PlanSwift and Bluebeam, these are two software which we are going to use in estimation, and these software can be used for in every field. You can say civil, as a field in civil, structures, architecture, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and so on. By learning these two software, only two software, some of you will be project manager, regional manager, you can say builders, subcontractor. You can be a contractor as a subcontractor, and freelancing as well, as you can do also freelancing as well, and you can also start your own company as well as a estimation in estimation field you can say. Now if you want to get quantities from plans which is given by client, or you can say by your contractor, and this software will be very helpful for you guys. First of all, let me discuss about the benefit of these two software, or why we are using these two software in the field of estimation. Suppose these software are not available, and you have to work your manually, you have to do estimation manually. So first of all you have to arrange a lot of pages for detailed estimation you can say. First point is we have to print out lot of pages, lot of plans, print out to get proper plans. And second thing, we must have a highlighter and marks, and do marking one by one on every plans for detail estimation manually. I am telling you manually. Third thing, we have we must have to use a calculator separately for every point, every calculations. And fourth point, we have to make detailed BOQ manually on Excel sheet you can say, or any other software. So this is very time taking process you can say, because let me summarize all these difficulties that we have to face if we don't know about these two softwares. First difficulty we have to face, one number one is print out. We have to print out a lot of pages. We have to highlights one by one, highlighter you should have, and magnifier you can use, a scale, a ruler you should use, and calculator separately use, and typing Excel sheet and making proper format through Excel sheet or any other software using. So now difficulties to remedy for these difficulties is the only these two software you can say. And trust me, this is very simple softwares which we have to use. Now point is how these software will work for us. So first of all you have to know about that you will have some plans of to do estimation on that plans, on that project. So first of all, you have to open those plans in these two softwares, and these softwares can support CAD file, AutoCAD file, PDF file, JPG file, and any other format you can say. So you can easily open any type of file, any type of format in these softwares. First of all, you have to open that file, that plans in these software, and you have to, second point is you have to only mark and highlighted quantities on plan using this software, uh, which is very simple procedure which I have told you later in our next video. So after marking, highlighting the quantities, a software will automatically generate a detailed BOQ and do auto calculations by its own, and which is most accurate values you can ever calculate it from your calculator. And these software will generate detailed BOQ in systematic manner, and after that you can easily send these BOQs to any other software or any other, you can share these BOQs with your client as well as. So this is very simple procedure. Number one is you have to import, second you have to mark some quantities or highlighted some quantities. After that software will automatically generate BOQ for you guys. So this is very simple, clear and cut procedure. Now suppose if your plans has no scale, and second chance you can you don't know about the scale which I have to use on these plans, and client is also unknown about the scale. So you have to set your reference. First of all, in this software you have to set any reference. According to this reference, software will automatically calculate scale and apply that scale accordingly, according to your reference on whole project plans. So suppose you have to tell software that reference is kind of suppose you have to tell software that this some door, this is a single panel door and this door is 4 feet wide. Only you have to give software one reference or a one measurement, accurate measurement which you know about that page. So I first of all I don't know about this scale which I have to use, so I have to give any reference, any accurate measurement which I have known about that point at that page. So according to that measurement which I have given to software, or you can say this is I have given a reference to software, and according to this that reference, software automatically apply scale to all plans according to your reference automatically. So this is very simple and helpful software you can say. And to measure any largest area you can ever meet, it will take only less than 30 second, trust me, 1 minute or a 30 second you can say, not more than 1 minute, but manually it will take a lot of time. So this is end of this video. See you in next video. I hope you got an idea about how this software is useful for an engineer.